We're here today at my listing in River Landing in Wallace, North Carolina, 133 Candlewood. I'm so excited to show it to you today, so come with me. All right, so the first place that we're gonna go immediately when you walk in So we'll take a walk out here just so that you can see how nice this space actually is. Going back into the kitchen, you've got this really lovely space, eat-in, breakfast area, completely renovated kitchen. So you can see the granite countertops, really light, neutral colors. What I love most about this kitchen is that you get to look out over the golf course and over your backyard while you're cooking or cleaning or whatever it is that you're doing. All right. Okay, so come with me. We're going to walk into the master bedroom. About this bedroom is that we have private access to the Florida room as well. It's nice and bright and cheery in here. Let's take a look at the master